Hello and welcome to MDCplus client application presentation. First, a couple of things about the interface. Here on the left you can see your menus. You can expand or detract them. You can move things around if you don't like the order of things. And for each user you can define which menus are available in server application. Here we are looking at the real-time section, and this is the timeline. This is all the machines, and here you see the states of the machines changing. This is the current state here. So this is the state that has the highest priority, that is on right now. And you can see all the states that have been going on this time period by double clicking the timeline. And it will show you everything separately. On top of that, you can click the name of the machine and have additional real-time information. So here's main parameters, here's additional parameters. These change a little bit depending on your machine type and settings. And on top of that, some general information. Here in NC program you can get the latest program text from your machine. Compare it and see the history as well. This will take you to another section here. Here you can change your interval. So this is last hour, last half an hour. We'll expand. Here you have a table version of the same thing in unit structure. Here's a layout picture of the shop floor as a background, and in MDCplus you can draw these rectangles over the machines, and they will change color according to current state of the machine. Summary shows you summary of the states and downtime reasons, and maintenance services, if there has been any, will be shown here. In working history, you can see the history, of course. Here's all the states and downtime reasons. Show caption, and you can see which one is which, but the legend also shows the percentage and durations. You can spin this around if you want and export to Excel. Line chart is similar to real time, except this is history. So you can do the same things here. This is table version of the same thing. If you are measuring your power, it shows here. Labor intensity, who has been doing what, maintenance services, and management supervision. Here in the filter area, you choose your manufacturing unit, machine, shift time, or custom time period. This filter section is almost the same in all the menus. Here in measured parameters, you can choose machine and what parameters you want to see, and you will get this chart. Here you can see your states and downtime reasons, and this here is spindle speed, and this is feed. You can zoom in by scrolling your mouse wheel to see more in detail. And this line shows the current state of that time and you can compare it to the parameter. You have some options here about showing the states and cursor information. And here's for voltage, dip, surge, cutoffs, and so on. And you use this by setting the time period, machine, parameter, and applying the filter. Here in event monitoring, you can see the system events that have been happening during this time period. So manufacturing unit, machine, event, more than 30 minutes of downtime, event type, state / downtime region control, notification type, message in system, sending SMS, sending a message by email for employee, Palmer PC. And here's the message, start time, end time, duration, and here are responses to the events. Now we are moving on to analytics and reporting.